Hey, how's it going, bros? My name is Aaron. Welcome back to another video. Last week in this video, I talked about what are the best custom settings to use for your new 1000XM3 earbuds. This week, however, we're going to talk about EQ. What are the EQ settings that I use? Now, before we get started equalizing the earbuds, we need to make sure of a few things first, okay? So, make sure that you are getting a good seal with your earbuds. Pick the right ear tips and get a good seal, because if you don't get a good seal with your earbuds, you won't have any bass at all. And no matter how much you equalize the earbuds, it's not gonna sound good, okay? So we need to make sure of that. We also need to make sure that we have the same basic settings in the Sony Headphones Connect app. Switch on ambient sound control with maximum noise cancelling, switch sound quality to priority on stable connection, and switch off DSEE HX. This way we have the same baseline of sound quality to work with when we EQ our headphones. Lastly, I need you to pick a song that you are very familiar with, something with a fair bit of bass and vocals, because we're gonna play this song on the earbuds while we are EQing them. This is so that you know exactly how the earbuds sound quality have changed while we are equalizing the earbuds. Okay, so let's put the earbuds on. Okay, so let's call up the Headphones Connect app and scroll down to the equalizer. Next, hit the little arrow at the bottom right hand corner of the equalizer and scroll once to the left to custom 2. Now, you can use custom 1, you can use manual, doesn't matter. For the purposes of this illustration, I will be using custom 2. Next, hit the settings key, which is this little gear at the bottom. And now you'll see a 5-band equalizer. This equalizer is pretty easy to understand. 400Hz, 1 kHz, 2.5 kHz, 6.3 kHz, and 15.6 kHz. So 400Hz is your bass, 1 kHz to 6.3 kHz is your mid-range, your vocals range, and 15.6 kHz is your treble range. Plus 10 and minus 10, this is how loud you want those frequencies to go. At the bottom, we have clear bass, which is meant to adjust a range of bass frequencies below 400 Hz. But we're not going to touch this yet. Let's focus on the treble first. 15.6 kHz, bump it up to plus 1. This is so that we can add a little bit more airiness to the sound. You don't have to do like plus 2 or plus 3, just plus 1 will do. 6.3 kHz, keep it at 0. 2.5 kHz, which is your upper vocal range, upper mid-range, bump it up to plus 2. This is to add a little more detail into your mid-range vocals. 1 kHz plus 1. 400 Hz plus 1. 400 Hz, remember, is your upper bass range. Now, clear bass, I like it at plus 4. Because bros, as you well know, I'm a bass head. So that's why for me, a clear bass plus 4, because I feel that the Sony XM3 earbuds at flat EQ settings don't have enough bass. But that's just me. At this time, you guys should play whatever song that you're familiar with to see if these EQ settings are right for you. And if you feel that there's too much bass, too little bass, too much treble, feel free to adjust it as you will, because the more important thing is to adjust the EQ settings to your preference, not mine. I'm just a facilitator. These are my custom EQ settings, but it's not set in stone. The more important thing is that you guys like the sound that you're getting from your XM3 earbuds. So those were my custom EQ settings for the Sony WF-1000XM3 earbuds. Now, I want to know what you guys think. Was this video useful? Did this video change your life? Or did it not? Tell me in the comment section below. Tell me what you think. And as always, guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please punch the like button with a vengeance. Share this video with your friends. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And remember to ring the bell to join Notification Squad, because I upload new videos every single week. My next video will also be about the XM3 earbuds. Way to whip a dead horse, Aaron. Way to whip a dead horse. It's gonna be something about like top 5 secrets of the XM3 earbuds that you wouldn't know about, you know, that sort of thing. I haven't really decided on the title yet. Maybe I'll just call it that. But anyway, it's gonna be a great video and I can't wait to show you guys the next time. Okay, so be sure to subscribe, ring the bell, and I'll see you again in the next video.